in the studio.
It's been a busy summer, but we're back full-time again.
And y'all are our priority.
So today's about credit.
Which is our favorite subject.
Yes. So Hannah, can you tell me how much my credit score will drop when I apply to get pre-approved?
So this is a huge common misconception that I know I get all the time as a lender. I'm sure Sarah gets it all the time as a realtor. I'm sure all realtors get it. People are like, oh, I don't want to apply because I don't want my credit pulled. It's going to drop my credit. Let's be very clear. Having your credit pulled is not going to drop your credit enough points that it is going to be a matter of you no longer being approved. Having your credit pulled or new inquiries only counts for 10% of your total FICO score. So it is only going to be a matter of maybe 1 or 2 points. And if you're doing everything else that you're supposed to, if you're paying your bills on time, if you're not opening up 1,000 lines of credit, that 10% really shouldn't affect you, and those 2 points really shouldn't be kind of a life or death matter.
Yeah.
So when in doubt, it's probably better to get your credit pulled. At least then that lender or whoever you're working with can typically give you some sort of tips on making up those 2 points.
And usually it'll like go back up before closing.
Yeah,
anyways,
absolutely.
Right?
Guys, this isn't something that's going to tank your credit score. If it changes at all, we very rarely see one credit inquiry being a problem. The issue is when you start getting into checking for auto loans and then going to Sears and looking to buy a refrigerator, all that sort of stuff. So when in doubt, just don't buy all of the things.
Yeah.
So Sarah, in the same regards, can I get into a house in general without having my credit pulled?
No. So even for a rental house and an apartment as well, they're still going to pull your credit. No one will just take what you say.
Your word.
Yeah.
Your credit karma doesn't work, unfortunately.
No. But sometimes, like if you're applying for a rental home and they pull your credit and they decline you for whatever reason, sometimes they'll still give us that credit report. And then in that case, we can usually submit that to another house, depending on their rules. Some people want to re-pull it anyways. But yes, your credit has to be pulled if you are moving regardless, unless you're moving in with family.
True, and not many people want to do that.
Yeah.
So when in doubt, guys, don't be afraid of what you don't know. Hit us up. We can debunk all of your myths, and we will give you nothing but the facts.
Yep. Mythbusters over here.
That should be the new name of our show. We'll bring Mythbusters back.
All right. So y'all know where to find us, www.sarahunderwood.work.
And to apply, go to www.loanswithhannah.com.
And we'll see you next week.
Bye, guys.
Bye.